In this video, I'm gonna bring you inside of a house we just purchased today. We paid $300,000 for this property, but I want you to see before we get inside to do the renovation, what the house looks like when we buy it. The service we offer is being able to buy a house as is, and the seller can leave whatever they like. And boy, do they leave stuff in the house. So let's take a look inside of this one. All right, class, it's Chris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. So I want to thank my beautiful daughter, Morgan.
Hello.
And Taylor for working with me today. So before we go inside, let's take a look at the neighborhood. Taylor, give them a nice pan so you can see we are at the end of the street. I love it. Morgan, how would you like growing up here where you don't have to worry about any traffic coming?
Nice.
It's nice, right? So now where we live, the cars come and go, but here, you don't got to worry about that. Pride of ownership. If you want to zoom in on this one here, Taylor, look at the grass. We got the good American flag. I don't know if they're Trump supporters or Biden supporters. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is a nice driveway too. This is a stamped driveway. We won't be doing that. So let's go to the office real quick and let's go over the numbers so you can see what we paid for this bad boy. So before we go inside the property, let's go over the numbers so you know how we valuate these deals. We do it a little differently, and further, the more expensive house you have, you can't use certain equations. So generally speaking, when you buy a piece of property to fix up, you're going to use an equation that's going to be the MAO, the maximum allowable offer. That's how much we can purchase the property for. Equals ARV, the after repair value, which is 420 right here, times 0.7. We take 70% of the ARV, which is 294,000. We determined this ARV to be 420. And then you back out the repairs. You back out your repairs. And the repairs on this one are 52,000, which we have right here, right? So we generally speaking, hard money lenders use this equation, right? So if you do the standard maximum allowable offer equation, then your offer is going to be 242,000. So it's kind of low when you go and approach a homeowner with a house that's worth 420,000 and you're only going to give them 242. That's not going to work, generally speaking, because the numbers are just too low, right? And the house only needs 50,000. You're leaving over $100,000 of equity on the table. So we have to have a different equation when we go into houses like this. And before we break this down, I want you to understand the mentality of our sellers. When you're buying these properties, you want to make sure that they can leave whatever they want. That's why when you go inside, how it looks, the way it looks that it is. So you take on all the burden, all the responsibility, all the problems, so they can walk out and just get their check. Okay, so ARV is worth 420. That's how much we can sell it for. Repairs 52,000. The closing cost / holding cost. We have to understand what that is. Now, when you do the general equation from the hard money lenders, this 0.7 includes closing / holding costs. What is that, Chris? I'm glad you asked. So when we buy property to fix up, we have to list it with a real estate agent. Whether I'm doing it, the next guy's doing it, the homeowner's doing it, you're going to list it with a real estate agent. So 6% on 420,000, 6 times 4, you're talking about $25,000. That's not a small chunk of change. That's a big chunk of change. So in our case, we are able to save half of that. So that's why I only have 25,000 here. We only have to pay the buyer side because we do something called a flat fee listing on our side. Okay, so generally speaking, when we do deals, we're only paying for the buyer to bring for the buyer's agent, the real estate agent that brings a buyer to our house. And then we have the holding cost of the money, taxes, insurance, maintenance, upkeep, all that stuff rolls in. So really, if you're an ordinary flipper, this is going to be 25,000 plus, right? So costs, expenses is one of the things you have to master in this business. Okay, so closing holding costs for us 25,000. Profit, we want to make at least 50,000. We're in a $400,000, almost $500,000 deal. You want to at least walk away with 50,000, right? So our MAO was 293,000, right? So we eventually offered them 295, which look at that difference, y'all. The standard industry equation, 242, our equation, because we only need to make $50,000. So you need to make sure you can adjust when it comes to these equations, especially with higher dollars. And you have to adjust when you're dealing with smaller dollars, right? The ARV, your ARV goes down, right? You might have to be paying 0.6 to 0.6 to 0.5. Because if you have a house that's only worth 100 and you pay 70 for it, there's no room to do anything. So when when you have less dollars floating around, the ARV is lower, then this equation goes down. So you have to modify this stuff, y'all, to make this thing work. Okay, so that's our numbers. We need to make roughly about $50,000, $60,000 on this deal, and nothing set in stone. We can make more, we can make less, all right? So let's get inside of this house. If I'm pouring into you, make sure you take a second to subscribe to the channel, y'all. Subscribe to the channel, like this content, and share with anybody else that is thinking about getting in real estate and learning how to flip houses. All right, let's roll. So you've seen the numbers. Let's get inside and see what it's gonna take to renovate this thing. I haven't even been in yet. We closed on it. Closed. Let's see what they left. So one of the things that you need to understand being an effective real estate entrepreneur is letting homeowners leave whatever they want and sell the properties as is. They can leave whatever they want. You want those markers right there? Guess what? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, buddy. Taylor, what do you think, buddy? You can back out some. Let's see. As you walk in, let me close the door. Give them a pan, Taylor, from this corner here, so they can see. Huh?
Whoever lived there was a cowboy.
A cowboy? You can have that hat if you want.
I'm not putting that on my head.
So here's going to be a little den area. You got a piano.
That's off too.
We got a free piano. We got a free piano, everybody. Here's going to be that's a den area there. Taylor, come on. Living room here.
If you didn't know, I can play the piano.
So we've got the kitchen, and we got these fake hardwood. Well, this is laminate here on the floor. Give him a nice pan, Taylor. Morgan, please don't run into Taylor when you're walking.
I'm sorry.
She has the camera. Did you need to pause it, Taylor, to get your hair out of the way?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Come on, Morgan. Here's the kitchen area. And I think we have another bedroom in here.
What is that? No.
That's an alarm, buddy. So this looks like it used to be a dining room. The door came in through here, looks like, but now it's a bedroom. So I don't know if Ron's going to turn this into a... Huh?
Ball.
You can have one of those balls. I don't care. Did you get a good pan in the living room there?
I can't steal all their stuff.
Make sure you plant it when you get the pan. So come on down here.
They got the Holy Bible.
We've got a bedroom. It's kind of skinny here. Oh, a good pan?
Ew. What is that?
So we're flowing from the living room to the kitchen now into the utility room. Half bath there. Thank you, Morgan. Oh, Jesus. See if it's the light in the garage there.
Yes, there is.
Hit it. So round up, here's the thing. Look at this. I didn't even, oh my goodness. Give him a pan. Well, what Daddy does is offer a service to people where they can leave whatever they want. Hence, they give us an opportunity to buy the house at a discount.
Oh, we could get these for Preston.
You can have it. Go ahead and take it.
Too.
So, show them back there, Taylor. We won't go up those stairs, but those are some back stairs to go up.
Who's paying the light bill?
Take a guess.
You?
Yes, me. Come on, Taylor. Let's hit it.
Are you gonna go upstairs?
Let's go upstairs. Yeah, we won't use this. Morgan, where was this light switch?
Oh.
Okay, so that's downstairs. So you'll see, this is our kitchen. Give them a pan from over here too, Taylor. In that corner there. So you see the flow, the layout here. I'm not sure how this is going to be. Camel? I don't know what that's. We'll probably take this wall out or something, but we'll go into that as well. It's after we clean it out.
Is it perfectly?
Take it.
Oh my gosh, this is pretty.
Yep. Okay, let's go upstairs, see what we got.
It feels like dumpster diving. It does.
Dumpster diving. Dumpster diving. Take it. Let's get upstairs, buddy. All right, so we're in the primary bedroom. No more master. Look at this carpet. I feel bad for people that have to live with this carpet like this. So here's the primary bathroom. Oh boy.
Why are there hardwood floors in the bathroom?
That is a daggone good question, Taylor. Don't do that. Moisture will eat them alive. You can see the tub. We probably will either reglaze this whole thing. Oh man, one of your homies. I didn't know we had roommates.
Oh, say what? Let me see.
He didn't make it though.
Oh, where?
He didn't make it. He didn't make it.
Where?
So this vanity will definitely go. You got the vanity there, Taylor? You did? Okay, that vanity will be gone. This is a nice sized bedroom here. You got walk-in closet over there. Oh man, look at this, powder room. A powder room.
What's a
That's when mama would come and do her makeup if daddy was in the shower. Isn't that cool? Here's your communal bathroom here. Feels real tight in here. That's a nice vanity we have. We might try to keep that. And that mirror. So this bathroom doesn't need too much. It's not tore up from the floor up, but tore up from the floor up. Come on in, Morgan.
Oh, dang, so they were disabled.
Yeah, somebody would have to sit here like this, take the thing off, and shh. What else we got? We got 1, 2, 3. Oh man, that doesn't even have flooring. Another bedroom there.
Oh, why is it going down here?
Where? Oh, it's probably. Where?
Oh, that's a mirror, Taylor.
Is it not going down?
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror right here.
I thought it was like a space.
Mm-mm.
But, oh my
Thank
gosh.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms here. Then we have a bonus room over the garage.
Oh,
Man, isn't this sweet here?
garage?
Yeah.
Garage.
You can call it either one you want.
They already had a garage. Who calls it a garage? Ooh,
Isn't
I
this
think
cool?
this desk.
Huh?
I would mind putting this desk in a new house.
That is possible.
What is this?
Too far away.
Oh, yeah, it's in the middle.
Yes, back way out. So round up, this is the house. Generally speaking, we have to make offers on houses that are full of stuff. You got to kind of know where the repairs are going to be. When you look at the property, you have to overlook all these things that are sitting around. So we think this house, I'm presuming we're going to be around $50,000 for the reno. You saw the numbers. So stay tuned. You can see how this thing turns out. I pray that it goes all well. They all go over budget, and we always have problems. So subscribe, like the content, and share with anybody else that is looking to get into the real estate investing game. What do you think, Morgan? This is what this should be. Yeah, this is what needs to be here. Dumb. That's what it needs to be. Yeah, that's what. Let's do it. You ready? Thank you.